Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight with a simple but elegant recipe. I am going to show y'all how to make a super high-end steakhouse steak at home, just from simple store-bought steaks here. Now I do happen to have some extra marbled prime rib or ribeye I got from local Kroger. Okay, it's just USDA prime, but I mean it has some excellent marbling, so it made me think to do this video. Got a couple fillets. They call their normal prime. That's what their normal prime looks like. Look at that compared to this beautiful steak here. So anyway, what we're going to do is we are going to dress these up, flavor these just like you would get if you ate these at a just prime steakhouse. First and most important, one of the things that I've found is this black garlic puree from North American Garlic Company. This stuff is amazing, okay, on steak. And what you basically want to do is just want to spoon some of it out, put it right there on top of the steak. And look, this recipe, this is a foolproof recipe, so it will have you use the sous vide or the immersion circulator, all right? That's the most foolproof way to cook one of these steaks, in my opinion. You know, you could substitute and just do this on the grill if you had to. But I'm telling you, sous vide is really the way to the perfect steak at home. Okay, so we're just going to put this pureed garlic, oh, it smells absolutely wonderful, trying to get so much on you like I just did, onto these steaks. And you want to get both sides. Then what you're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of seasoning on them. I'll show you what we're going to use here in just a second. And that stuff is just amazing. And this is the, alright, then we're going to take this Sure Shot Sid's gunpowder seasoning, okay? And it's down, so these are going to taste just like your steaks in your finest steakhouse. Put a little bit of that on there, on top of the black garlic puree from North American Garlic Company. I'll put where you can get both these things in the description box. Alright, y'all see me use both of these before. Now we're going to rub down the other side of the steaks, get them vacuum sealed in a bag and ready to sous vide. Now that we got them sealed, we're going to put them in the immersion circulator on 130 degrees for about an hour and a half. Okay y'all, now that the steaks have been sous viding for about an hour and a half, we'll take them out of the Ziploc or the whatever kind of bags you have, pat them dry, you can wipe them down, we'll get them ready to sear right here inside. I told y'all to be quick and simple on a cast iron pan. Let me get them wiped down and everything. Okay, now you want to make sure you've got your steaks patted down dry. Wipe all the excess moisture off. Then take a nice seasoning like this. This is optional, like Corner Crustica from Oak Ridge Barbecues or Cowboy Rub, something like that. This is just a searing rub, basically, used for steak. And put a little bit of that on there, not too heavy. But this is just going to help with the crust, okay? It's a high heat searing rub on both sides. Now we've got that done, we'll head over to the cast iron pan. Look, what I've got is a cast iron pan on medium-high heat. It's been heating here for a few minutes. I'm going to take some, this is grapeseed oil, just a little bit, some high heat oil like that. Sprinkle a little bit of that in the pan. That's a really good oil for doing a high heat sear like this. Try to find me just something to move around just a little bit. Something like that, okay? Don't want a bunch of excess oil in here, so I'll probably take a paper towel and just wipe it out at this point. There we go. Then we'll get a hint of smoke coming, so we know it's pretty much ready to sear our first steak. Steak on there, coming over, let it go down. Now, it's not going to take long on each side. I would say maybe a minute, 30 seconds per side. I want to check. It's not going to take long. This is just going to be so good. I'm going to even get a plate ready, y'all. I do these steaks, beautiful ribeye, I said, I almost like doing a little bowl to catch the juice, and I'll show you why here in just a bit. So we're letting this go for about a minute 30 right here. I mean, this thing, wish y'all could just smell this. Oh, spray my lawns and go, you got a little bit extra light there so you can see. That's beautiful right there. As soon as that timer goes off, we'll give it a flip. And now I'll show you what to do. All right, been about a minute, 30 seconds, right? So we're about ready to flip this bad boy. Put the light on here good. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that sear. Is that not gorgeous? That's what I'm talking about. Let me show you what we'll do to her now. I'm going right there, put a little pat of butter right there on top. I'm just going to set a minute on this other side. Don't want to overcook this steak. Just want to get this beautiful, beautiful sear. We got that now. So that means the other side's seared. Should look gorgeous on that side. Let's go ahead and flip it over and set it right here in this little bowl. Right now, what I'm going to do here, another pat of butter on top of that. Tint this in foil and let it rest, okay? Look, y'all, I'm doing the same thing to these fillets. Just let them go by. The fillets, I got more sides to do. I'm doing about 30-45 seconds a side. So scooping up some of that little melted butter that melted in the pan. That's what we want for these beautiful fillets. Like that. And you just want just a good little kiss, a little sear on there. Some good stuff. Got to get them off there. Oh man. Not least that ribeye that we've had over here. It was cooling off. That's what you do right before you serve it. A little bit more butter right here in this pan. Just like this. And we go around just like that. Just to get all the goodness and stuff off that pan. Okay? Go ahead and turn this heat off. Oh yeah. Now, take this steak that we've had resting for a second. Go ahead and give him one more flip right there, just to let him just get a last little heat on each side. I'll turn the heat back on just for a second, just to flare it just a little bit. Now, that's what you want. Now, eat that. I gotta find something to grab this pan with. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, then you come back over to your bowl, whatever, deep dish plate, and you put that steak back in there. All right, I'm going to turn this off, get this off the heat. Then what you want to do, this without getting this plate too hot. Hopefully y'all can see this. Well, come over here with me. Watch this. So I'm going to take these drippings. So I had a little trouble with my barrel. Let it rest. Give that nice, fine little pop of heat. With that butter and everything was right there in that plate. And I'm telling you, this is like that steak at the finest steakhouse is ready to serve. All right, y'all, we're about to cut a piece of this ribeye and see how it is. Oh man, I'm excited about this. Let's look. Oh yeah. Look. Little piece from that spinach over here. Oh, look at that. Nice mid-rare to rare. Look at it, just tender as can be. Pull up out of there, just look at that. Is that not gorgeous? That's what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so let's get a taste. You gotta taste this. Exploding with flavor. Oh my word, y'all, that steak is just heavenly. Oh, butter and the garlic. Oh, that just comes through just perfectly. Just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna say that's all you need. I'll tell you what, you could serve tableside with this. I'm gonna show you just a second. Anyway, I like to serve this alongside your steaks or beef. It's this Maldon finishing salt. But if anybody wants a little bit more of that flavor, and it's so much better to me just to sprinkle it on there. And look how big the salt crystals are, if y'all can see that. It's giant salt crystals, but it's just like snowflakes. I wouldn't say it's not like a hard piece of salt and just melts so effortlessly. So if you want to try that, Anyway, that's optional. You know, if you want a little bit of like I said, I call it finishing salt because I don't want everyone over salt a piece of beef. But you want to put a little bit of that on there, that is fine. So anyway, showed y'all how to take a grocery store steak, make something like you would find the finest steakhouse in all the land. Check the description box of the products I use. Thank y'all so very much. God bless. Y'all take care.